Guys, welcome to today's video. Today's Thursday, April 16, and we lost, what is it, $270.50, sadly. That was a 2.25 stop loss with 20 contracts. Let me show you a trade that I took this morning on London Session MES. Look, I thought, and I was kind of correct in a sense, that we would go lower to 10 points, which we did. Sadly, the entry was a little bit, I want to say, too early maybe, because I can already see here that we have a bunch of retests and fair value gaps, but I traded just once. That's my rule. So we had a fair value gap right here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes worth of retests, and then an engulfing right here, right? Yes, we engulfed right on this candle. So I entered here, and then we went up, down, up. We got stopped out about, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 minutes later. Unlucky. But if we keep looking forward, so this was 2.25 stop loss. Sadly, this just, the lesson I can take here is if it takes this long with a bunch of dojis, it's not worth it. It's usually market has not yet made up his mind. That's my lesson that I'm taking. Because look, later on, we actually go back in the zone, we go sideways, and then we do indeed here create a fair value gap to push a candle to fully open and close right here. Fair value gap, boom. We go below, we retest it. Yes, we do. And then we engulf right here. So let's say I waited, and what the fuck, this is different. Let's say the retest, we engulf right here, I enter, we take a stop loss, boom, just 1.5 points, 10-point target. Look at that. It would have been a beautiful trade right here. It would have been a very beautiful, very patient trade. That was literally the next setup. This one took way too long. Lesson learned. You won't catch me doing this again during London. During New York is different because there's way more volume during New York. Like yesterday, I did that and it took 15 minutes to engulf. But there was volume. Look, this is 2 empty dojis, literally. This is not worth it on London. So, lesson learned. Even if we would not have taken this trade, we have a fucking engulf. We have a fair value gap right here. Literally next up, boom. We retest it, we engulf, and we go down again. We have one right here again. Fair value gap, boom. We retest it, we engulf. It's not gonna be 10 points, but we push down. This would, even this would have been accurate because the stop loss would have been here and the trade would have ran all the way here. See? Or I don't know if there was any previous lows in the area that we could have targeted, but you get the point. We needed in and out movement, nothing nothing dragged out like this right here. So this is me teaching myself, I guess, because nobody should be taking any tips from me. Okay, now let's go to New York sessions because I didn't trade New York today because I was busy. So I lined up. Look at this. This is 9:30 New York. Let's actually see if we can see and if the whole thing works. We have our 8 until 8:15 zone right here. Right, 8 until 8:15. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, okay. So we have our candles. Boom. Let's break down to the 1 minute. And let's see if we missed anything by not trading today. All right. Nothing yet. All right. Here we have a fair value gap. Boom. Let's see if our fair value gaps get retested. Did we miss any? Nothing outside the zone. Another fair value gap. Even two more fair value gaps actually. Boom. Boom. We retest right here. Okay, let's see if we engulf. No. No. Alright, so this fair value gap is invalidated because we broke it. Let's see if we... Alright, so we kind of created a new fair value gap right here. Like this. And we actually retested it and it actually held. So let's see. Alright, it went back up. So this one is nothing. Okay, let's see what happens now. We go back up. We retest that one. It's holding. Alright, now it's invalidated. Wait, we actually just... Whoa, go back. Can we go back? We just created a fair value gap. Where is it? No, we don't. No fair value gap. No fair value gap. Now we have one. Boom. Fair value gap, right? There's nothing. Nope, no fair value gap. Alright, let's see. No retest yet. We do have a new fair value gap, even though it's a small one. Boom. Oh, this is not even it. This is it. Small fair value gap. Let's see. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. We almost retested that one. Alright. Retested it. We're retesting this one, but there's no way we're gonna engulf it. Cause let's just keep it in mind. Boom. So how many points is this? This is bigger than 7. Okay, doesn't matter. Did we create any new fair value gaps? No, not yet. So we broke this one completely. And we're trending back up. Still trending. No fair value gaps. And we're past 11. And we're back in the zone. Alright, see? So we didn't really miss anything because we didn't take any trades. Because this one retested but never engulfed. This one either, and this one didn't even get retested. It did here, but then broke above, so we didn't really miss anything. So that's good to know. Just, of course, again, keeping in mind that this was a big fucking move. Let me see, I want to see if we... So we did have a 19-point dip, but it was all right outside our 5-minute zone without any fair value gap retest. We did have one right here, I can see, but we need, for our rules... No, we didn't. It broke. Alright, that's it for me for today. I'm gonna write down my lessons, which I just told you earlier for New York, for London, and that's gonna be it for today. And then tomorrow morning I'm gonna trade again, and I don't think I can trade tomorrow afternoon for New York, but we'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.